In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Alibaba account. Whether you're interested in sourcing products or wanting to connect with global suppliers, having an Alibaba account is the first step to accessing the vast marketplace. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Alibaba's official website at alibaba.com. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner of the page where you'll find the option to create account. Click on that and this will direct you to the sign up page. Next, you'll need to provide your email address. Ensure that you use an active email, since this will not only serve as your login ID but will also be the main way for Alibaba to communicate with you. After entering your email, simply click on the continue button. Now, it's time to decide the type of account you want to create. Alibaba offers options for both buyers and suppliers. Think about your primary purpose for using Alibaba. If you are looking to purchase products, choose the buyer option. If you intend to sell or supply products, select the supplier option. Make your choice and then click continue. The next step asks you to verify your email. Alibaba will send you a verification email to the address you provided. Open the email and click on the verification link. This step is essential for securing your account and ensuring future communication. After email verification, you'll be guided to set up your account. Here, fill in details like your country of residence, your full name, and create a strong password. A strong password should include a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to maximize account security. Following the account setup, you'll see an option to read and agree to the terms and conditions of Alibaba. Make sure you read through these terms carefully. Once you've reviewed them, check the box to indicate you agree. Finally, click on continue and you're all set. Your Alibaba account is now created and you can start exploring the numerous opportunities on their platform. You can begin researching suppliers, setting up preferences, or sourcing products according to your needs. Remember to keep your login details safe and change your password regularly to protect your account. This simple account creation process connects you to a world of global commerce opportunities, all from the comfort of your home. Thanks for watching and happy shopping or selling on Alibaba. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more guides and tips.